Yeah, maybe when you do good off field, and the result will you'll see in the on field when you play. Everything you do off the field, yeah, they always say maybe 90% off field and 10% on field. Yeah, maybe what you do outside of the field is going to help you when you're playing on Saturday. I'd like to thank the Lord to bring me this far. Uh, from last year, I had an injury, but I keep on telling myself I can do better. And yeah, playing Super Rugby this year, I'm so happy. Maybe if the coaches select me to go for the national team,